An angel visits before breakfast. Only the Lord could send company this early and forget to bring bread.
An angel says my boy will never touch wine or scissors. Sounds like holiness and hair problems both ahead.
Son, you were supposed to draw water, not relocate the well.
Sorry, Mother. Strength comes with poor aim and excellent hydration. Just gathering kindling, ladies. Unless you'd prefer a full cedar fire performance and complimentary splinters. Tree rings say a lot about age. Mine just learned humility and the value of solid roots. Consider that a complimentary roadside miracle. No charge. But donations in figs are always appreciated.
Twice the jar, half the trips. Efficiency is the secret strength no one writes songs about.
Every hero starts by rescuing toys. Next lesson, children. Never hide things under future landmarks.
Well, Lion, we can either share the path like gentlemen, or you can audition for my next belt buckle.
You roared first. Custom says I should scream next. But let's skip formalities and discuss lunch.
Occupation?
Self-employed, specializing in Philistine reduction and unexpected property damage. Benefits negotiable.
You have any experience in the battlefield?
No, sir. But playing with lions and bears is my hobby.
Another battle, another banner. If the Philistines keep this pace, I'll run out of souvenirs.
The Lord gave me strength for battle. Now if he'd lend a cup, I'd fight dehydration next. Who's that? She looks like trouble dressed for worship, and my curiosity's never been good at resisting sermons like that.
You're the man who fights lions?
Lions, yes, but none ever smiled at me quite so dangerously. Beginning to suspect divine strategy in that.
Find his secret, woman, and you'll drown in silver.
Silver's fine, but I prefer secrets that talk first. Tell me, Mighty One, what could tie down such power?
Conversation that long is already my weakness.
I want to know.
I trained every day and eat a lot, that's why.
Still strong?
Barely awake, but if you're weaving, love, at least make me a blanket while you're at it.
Tell me, truly, what's the secret of such strength?
My hair, cut it, and strength leaves me. But just between us, my love.
Forgive me, Mighty One.
Already do.
I dream stronger than I live.
The mighty has fallen!
Careful how you say that. Sometimes the mighty hear their own funeral and decide to stand up.
How's the mighty grinder today? Same as your gods, making noise, producing nothing.
Does the great deliverer pray now? Only when I'm bored. Keeps me humble and him entertained. Your strength's gone, Hebrew.
So was the sun once, Captain. It came back.
Behold the God of Israel, now grinding for ours! Careful, Captain. Your gods love applause, just not the ending that usually follows it.
Look at him! Hair grown back, strength still gone. Strength returns slow, unlike your insults, which sprint everywhere.
Hard to walk when darkness dances louder than reason.
Keep moving, Hebrew. Your big finish is waiting.
Lord, remember me. Give strength again, enough that even a blind man stands where you need deliverance.
He fell with his enemies, yet in death he delivered Israel, proving broken strength still rises when heaven remembers.
I lost sight, strength, everything. But God met me in the rubble.
Not when I was mighty, but when I was broken. If you feel like everything has fallen on you, don't run from God. Run to Him. He rebuilds. He restores.
He returns strength to hands that once trembled.
If this touched you, stay a while.
There's a story in you worth rising for.
Hey, this video hit different? Then don't just stand there. Hit like, smash subscribe, and stick around. More heroes walk these paths.
And by the way, I'm just an AI. If you want to make videos like this, check the description below.